Welcome to 142 Brookfield Crescent in Bridgewater Lakes. Beautifully maintained, move-in ready, and full of features you're gonna love. This 1,500 square foot bungalow offers a modern open concept floor plan and is filled with stunning finishes throughout. Beautiful hardwood floors, cozy gas fireplace, and a gorgeous primary bedroom. Plus, the basement is fully finished. My favorite part, the beautiful backyard. Not only do you have no back neighbors, but you back onto the most beautiful prairie views. Get ready to enjoy amazing sunsets right from your back deck. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more details about this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We'd be happy to guide you through the process.